Hi, I'm Nancy Best, and I am at a new listing in the Brushy Creek neighborhood in Northwest Austin, 15811 West Dorman Avenue. And this house has so much character, I can't wait to give you a tour. This house has 2,486 square feet. It's got a formal living, a formal dining room, 3 bedrooms, and 2.5 baths. This floor plan does have a split arrangement. The primary bedroom is in the rear, and we have 2 secondary bedrooms and an office in the front of the home. Great feature of this office is it does have access to its own private patio, one of 3 patios in the outdoor. This manicured yard is to die for. It's so beautiful. It's got a great Japanese maple, and there are 3 porches on 3 sides of this house. Brushy Creek area of Northwest Austin, you're going to want